What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Sublime Text on your Windows PC. So head over to your favorite web browser and search for download Sublime Text, and the first link that you see from www.sublimetext.com, click on it and you can see this download page, and we need to choose our operating system from here. I'm going to select the Windows and we need to wait till the download starts. And if the download doesn't start automatically, we can click on this try a direct link, Windows, and you can see the download has started. After the download is done, I'm going to simply open the file and I'm going to click on yes. And now here I can choose the default directory where I want to save my or install my Sublime Text. I'm just going to keep it default. Click on next, next, install, and click on finish. After it's done, I can go to search and search for Sublime. And you can see Sublime Text appears in my search. Open it up. Here you go. This is the Sublime Text editor. Now I can do whatever I want to do. Save the file. Let's say test.txt. And the file has been saved. So yeah, this is it. This is how you can download and install Sublime Text Editor on your Windows machine. I hope this video was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below.